YouTube, it's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. It's been a little minute. I've been doing a lot of trading, getting this money up, and basically what I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys today is the new broker that I'm using. It's called Prosperity FX. All right, and what I did was I actually switched over from KOT to FX Choice, all right, which is a regulated broker, and then I'm actually switching over the weekend to Prosperity. I actually did a few test runs. I transferred over $90, deposited. It went pretty smooth. I did a few trades. With that $90, I'm actually down to 70. It's part of the game. It's only been 2 days, but I plan to start the challenge. $100 to $1,000, and then 1,000 to 10,000. All right. But pretty much, if you want to use this broker that I'm using, it's called Prosperity. All right. What you're going to do is definitely use the link in my description. All right. The reason being is because right now, Prosperity is giving you the ability to refer a friend and you actually make money as well. So I would highly appreciate you guys, if you are switching to Prosperity, to use my link below. And it's very simple to deposit funds. All right. All you're gonna go here, you're gonna go to wallet. You're gonna select USD. You're gonna go to Bitcoin. You can also do debit card. I do Bitcoin because I have Coinbase. You're gonna select an amount. Let's say you wanted to do $100. You're gonna go ahead, proceed to the payment page. All right. You're gonna go to your Coinbase or Cash App, wherever you use your Bitcoin, and you're gonna either use this code here, take a picture of it through the app, or you're going to copy this code and send your Bitcoin here. All right. So it's very simple. Once that money comes in, you're going to see here, it's going to say approved. All right. And you're also going to see the balance here. Once you do that, all you're going to have to do is do an internal transfer. Select wallet to MT4. You're going to select the account. All right. Which first you should actually create an account. It's very simple. Create an account here, select Prosperity ECN. All right. Once you create an account, you're going to come to Eternal Transfers, select Wallet to MT4. You're going to select your balance, the amount that you want, boom, and you're going to transfer that 100 there, and then you'll show it here. Okay. Now, withdrawals is the same thing as KOT. Very simple. First, you're going to do an internal transfer. You're going to do MT4 to wallet. Okay. Once you do that, all right, boom, you're going to put that there. Then you're going to have it in your wallet. Then you're going to click withdraw. Boom. Withdraw type Bitcoin. And then you're going to select the amount. And then you're going to go ahead and get a Bitcoin address the same way. All right. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to send it to that specific Bitcoin address that Prosperity FX gives you. I'm talking pretty fast. If you want to replay this video, that's perfectly fine. Like I said, use my link to go ahead and sign up. And then when you start referring friends, you can also gain money as well. That's the benefit of using the link. All right. And this is the MT4 on the computer, all right, which is very easy to download. All you have to do is click download, come here, click Windows, Apple, or Android, whatever you're on. Boom, it's going to save to your computer. You're going to open it. It's going to save to your desktop as such. Boom. And then you're going to be able to open it and log into your account. How you log into your account, you just come here, log into Trader account, boom, and you're going to be able to sign up that way. All right, as you can see here, I have my demo account and my live account, and I'm going to be switching over all of my funds on my other broker over the weekend. All right, this is my live account, as you can see here. I'm up $4,243 on this account. It's Friday, so trading is done for the day. And yeah, so if you're interested in making money and interested in Forex and signing up to this specific broker, use my link below. I'm going to go ahead and transfer my funds. I'm going to be making a lot more Forex videos. and I'm trying to get better, master this craft. And yeah, like this video, subscribe, and wait for my next video. Peace.